Exactly. I was trying to find a recipe for ice cream because I've never actually made ice cream. I know I can make ice cream. I have an ice cream machine, but I don't know. So I'll look online. Ice cream recipe. Salt. I don't have salt. I mean, I do have salt, but I didn't bring salt here. I know like some use eggs, egg yolks. We already theorized maybe after eating all the energy, ice cream should start working out a lot. Oh yeah, like pre-workout. Like pre-workout. Also like I gave like my I gave my roommate the cups because I told myself if I drink 2 energy drinks, 2 focus drinks, and 2 hydration drinks, God might want to nerf me. So, egg yolk, cornstarch. Why? Okay, so I need egg yolks. Only the yolks. I need 4, but I only have 2, so I'll do 2. Ice cream has eggs? Yeah, some do. It makes it like more like smooth cream in texture. So, first off is the eggs. I need 8, but I have 2, so it'll be 2. I'll be fine. Don't need 4. Then I need sugar. Half, 1 full, and then 1/2. So the half of a half. That's like 3/4, but that's okay. We don't mind that. And then cornstarch. Anyway, this is probably why we needed like 4 egg yolk. Because like the sugar and the thing is gonna be like really granulated. That's okay. That's okay. We'll be fine. I feel like this is when we should put the powder. How much milk do I need? How much water? How much milk? Let's say 250. That's 500. So 3 portion? 3 scoops? 3 scoops. Let's do 3. Hypothetically, let's do 3. What flavor should we go for? I'll do like one gummy and 2 lemonade. Now, oh, I have a ball of sugar stuck in there. Stuck in the whisk. Stuck in the whisk. As long as the flavor isn't too strong, agreed. Otherwise, Lily can defeat it. What's the point of defeating a flavor? We're not looking to defeat it. We're looking to eat it. Whisking the cream in the milk. Cream. Whisk, 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 whisk. Yeah. This is heavy. Okay, so this is what we have here. I need to heat it up. Heat it up for I don't know how long. What the recipe says cook over medium here, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon, scraping the bottom until the mixture begins to simmer and thicken. Cover with plastic wrap. I don't have plastic wrap anymore. Cool. Let it cool. Refrigerate for 4 hours. At least it doesn't need a hairnet. You balded me again. Why do you like me so bald? Shine bright like a diamond. Should we change the lyrics of the song from Shine Bright Like a Diamond to Shine Bright Like a Bald Head? Completely hypothetical, but how many gifted to go bald IRL? Oh, I'm not going bald IRL. I've already shaved my head once. Like, I'm not... My hair is very long. It goes all the way... it goes all the way down to my hips. I'm not shaving my head. It's not like, even if you gift, how are you gonna know I'm actually balding, you know? What if I say I did, but then I didn't? That could happen. I think that's time. And then we could do something else. Like I said, we have gelatin. So we could do Jello. We could do gummies. I have like dino shape. I have heart shape, dino shape, gummy bear shape, donut shape. So I brought back the liquids, and you know what I thought? Since we're doing like gummies / Jello, we're gonna do a mix. Gonna do a mix of them all. No waste. No waste. Okay. I think that's enough liquid, because like we're probably gonna need to do like a few of those. Like maybe this and the bears, and then does it taste good? I can't wait. I can't use this. I need this to. I don't know. Too much taste. Too saturated. It's like it tastes a lot. It's very intense. So now we have everything. We have energy, we have focus, we have hydration in this. It's a full mix of everything. Gelatin, I don't have much in this anymore, so I'll just put like... So the way gelatin works is you need to let it bloom, okay? So for gelatin to bloom, usually you put it in like less water than this, but it's fine. You wait until like it clears up. So this, we're gonna wait until like it clears. And then you add more, you mix and you add more, and then you add more, and you add it gradually. And then like we wait a little bit because we want it to be like nice and thick. And yeah, that's how you do it. There's protein in there. There's protein. It's 8.8 grams of protein per 10 gram serving. So technically this is what you want for like bulking up. Eating candy. Candy is good for you. We're gonna add a lot because we need a lot. If we want like the consistency of more like a gummy bear, we need a lot of gelatin. I want it to be like thick. You know what I mean? So thick that like it feels almost solid. The thing is like this is like a little too floppy. So what I'm gonna do, right, is I'll put this in there. It's not the most efficient method, but like it's what works. It's what works. Those gummies have the hydration and the focus and the energy and the focus. So that technically they're caffeinated gummies. Science, we're making gummies. It's science. It's like you see it's solidified, right? Like if I do this, it doesn't leak, but it's not solid enough for me to like pop it out, or is it? No, it's not enough. So I need to put that in the fridge. If I have space. I'll be right back. Put it in the freezer? No, we don't need to put it in the freezer. It will be fine with just the fridge. It'll take 10 minutes. I'm back. I am back. But it's ready. Oh, he look good. Look at him. Oh yeah, the ones that are like more of that white stuff that had a lot of air in it, those are like struggle a little bit more to come out. So this is the ice cream machine. This is the cream for the ice cream that we did earlier. And this is our gummies. So we're gonna do this. I've never used this, by the way, before. This is my first time. I have no idea how it works. Do you think I need to put like not everything? I don't know. Because I feel like maybe I'll do like maybe everything actually. Yeah, I think everything is fine. It's in the machine. Now we put it. And now we wait. Extremely sweet, maybe a little too sweet. Gummies. Are they size too big? What do you mean two size too big? They're gummy sized. They're not. There's no such thing as too big gummies. And because we use AdvanceGG, technically those are caffeinated. So if I want like a quick caffeine, there's everything. There's the caffeine one, there's the focus one, there's the hydrate one. There's all of them together. All of them together. Combination. You will be unstoppable with those gummies. Now we wait 10 more minutes. Can we see inside? Well, let's hope it solidifies in the next 10 minutes. Cause, it's not solid at the moment. Like, not even a little solid. I was too impatient, I guess. Those are good. It's done. It feels like soft served. Soft served. And I got this. Look at this. Isn't it adorable? Ice cream. Very sweet. Like at the very bottom, it's like more ice creamy. So we got the ice cream. We did some gummies. We did so many things today. Taste test. A blind taste test. So many things. It was nice having you here. I hope you had a good time. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope to see you again. Or never, if you don't want to follow.